Greetings from the Jersey Shore and hello from Asbury Park. Here is a July walk through Convention Hall and we will bring you right up to the Jersey Shore. Again, this is a July look, almost 90 degrees at 10 o'clock at night. Pick up your Jersey Shore attire or see a great concert. Let's see who's playing. No, you're not thinking about golf, but after summer, it happens. Welcome Samhain. Let's head to the beach. So what Jersey Shore attire have I acquired before we head out to the main boardwalk?
I'm sorry.
Not a problem. Got my Jersey hat and Bradley Beach. Hello everyone from Bradley Beach. This is the main boardwalk here. I think July is the best time to visit the Jersey Shore. Whether it be the daytime or the nighttime, because you got the throwback of Howard Johnson's. Okay, why is Howard Johnson's an attraction? Well, here it is. It's been the hosting location across the East Coast for many years, and that is the convention center. Concerts happen. We're at Fifth Avenue. And this is a July evening walk. Now, if you're visiting New York City from another country, you can get here from the Empire State Building for about $17. New Jersey Transit will bring you directly to the Jersey Shore. This is not the only shore point, though. Ocean Grove is right next door. One of my favorites is Wildwood. The ultimate is, for me, Cape May. But no discounting Asbury Park. And I felt it was a little unfair to only show you the boardwalk. Here we are at the beach. Let's walk ourselves over for a sunset. Beach bar. So they ask you to get out of the water, but not leave the beach. So that is what is going on right now. I can tell you I have gotten in the water and I will do again so tonight. But let me bring you there so you get the full experience of a Jersey Shore July day. Here we are. You can see there's some people playing in the water, the kids getting thrown back on shore, parents running for the kids. Here's your 360. The Garden State, one of my favorite places to celebrate July. My sister's birthday, and my favorite month on the calendar. All right, till next time. Happy summer.